Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's topic is going to be about AIOps. AIOps is a term that's getting a lot of play in the last several years for very good reason. For years and years and years, NOC teams and support organizations dealing with tons of data from managed devices have had a difficult time being able to keep up with alerts, create alert fatigue, missed alerts, high number of activity from users, etc. So advancements in the cloud and infrastructure monitoring space have made really huge improvements. And so today we're going to touch on what it is, why you should care, how does it work, what's the value, and then ultimately what we can do here at PTP to help. So first and foremost, what is AIOps? So in a fancy way, it is a multi-layered technology platform that really is focused on automation and enhancing IT operations. More specifically put, it's really a combination of automation, machine learning, and algorithms that can correlate data based on patterns. So think of raw data coming into a system and some additional decisions being made by that platform, again, based on scripting and automation that's built in, based on behavioral patterns and triggering automated actions, etc. So why do you care? It's simple. Operations teams just can't deal with the amount of data. So the organizations that we talk to are either suffering from alert fatigue or they're not tending to the alerts that are coming in. They're just either suppressing or not paying attention to them until something happens that creates a problem inside the organization and then they dive in. Certainly not a best practice and not the way that you want to support an organization. Especially our customers that are cross-platform, that have an infrastructure in an office, in a building, a network, devices that are in play, as well as cloud operations. And they've got to have a tool that can link all of that together for a single pane of glass. So that's kind of the suffering. So how does it really work? Works a number of ways, and just wanted to share with you a few quick examples. So one would be workflow optimization and automation. So think of scripting. In the cloud environment, this could be Lambda. In an infrastructure environment, again, scripts that are riding on top of an OS, but that could execute certain activities based on predefined sets of rules. Could be alert closure, automating alert closure from a number of devices, could be executing backups, could be executing reboots, things of those nature. Things that users might have to otherwise do, but now could be done by the machine, by the operations platform. More advanced component would be algorithms that analyze data and execute functions based on that input. So now we're talking about things that, again, would require NOC triage and workflow, but now are executed without intervention. Last would be advanced correlation. So correlation's been around for a long time in monitoring platforms as well as security information event management or SIM platforms, but really the ability to correlate a number of unique alerts down into one that's actionable. The ability to identify a root cause quickly from a number of alerts, have that be a single ticket that's worked by an analyst, and be able to close out or make parent-child relationships between one master alert and others. So the value of the technology, I think, should be clear. The real key areas here are reduction of risk from downtime. So either due to missed alerts from high volume alert fatigue, or really the accelerated troubleshooting from the advanced correlation. Think of, again, an analyst being sprayed with 10 or 20 alerts versus the one that is actually the root cause, identifying what has caused all the other alerts and then being able to immediately triage and work on that Mean time to repair increases radically. The other area, again, to the CFO and important to the business, is the reduction in cost. The ability to scale your teams and the ability to do more with tools and less with people, and keep your people happy and focused on the things that are important. The PeakPlus platform that we use at PTP for cloud and infrastructure monitoring contains advanced AIOps capabilities. We'd be happy to show you how we leverage those to deliver value to our customers that contain infrastructure and cloud infrastructure, and help them deliver more value and allow them to focus on innovation and advancements for their business while we support them from an operations and support perspective. You can reach us at www.ptp.cloud.